Hi guys, Master Indigo here, and welcome back to Payday 2 Mod Showcase. Yes, I know it's been a while since the last episode of this series, no good excuses there, but we are here now, so let's focus on that. Once again, we are here taking a look at something cool that the community has created, and even though Overkill is making content for Payday 2 once again, it's always a few months between those, just like between these episodes. Anyways, community always creates content faster and there's way more content available, so let's take a look. Hey, do you hear that? What's that? Oh, hello there, Mr. Sponsor. Raid Shadow Legends is the dark fantasy RPG that you have been waiting for. It's available on both PC and mobile, it has cross-play, and the best part, it's free to play. You can unlock epic characters, and this one looks really cool, I like this. Look at this victory pose. Oh yeah, that's cool. Looks just like me. Right guys? No? Well, okay. Anyways, the game has this battle pass system currently in the game, and you can unlock some cool rewards with it. And if you download the game right now, during the next 30 days, you can unlock 100,000 silver, 2 clan boss keys, 10 mystery shards, and a free awesome champion, the Executioner. Just click here whenever you download the game and you can unlock these awesome rewards, and take a look at this guy. This is the guy you get for free. All that's for you, just click the links down below. Oh yes, where were we? Oh yes, Payday 2 Mod Showcase, let's get going. To many people, Halo was a big part of growing up, playing the games on 360, starting from the original Xbox era. For me personally, I've only played them slightly. I never owned any of the games myself, sadly, but now that finally Master Chief Collection is coming to PC, we have something apart from Halo 1 and Halo 2 on PC as well, and look forward, we are going to get possibly every Halo game on PC, which is amazing. Now, how this relates to Payday is what you are seeing on the background. Halo Reach HUD or Noble HUD, whatever this is going to be called in the future releases. Currently, you can find it by both names. As you can see, it has a working motion tracker which spots out enemies for you. It has completely overhauled the look of the game. It has a Regal's bloom effect, which doesn't actually affect your accuracy like it does in Halo, but it's really cool looking. As you can see on the background, it's completely different than any other HUD we have had for Payday 2 previously. I find it kind of hard to play with because I'm not used to having my armor and health at the top of the screen like that. Overall, it's really cool HUD modification and certainly something different. Give it a try. Most of the custom weapons in Payday 2 are real weapons that exist in real life, but every now and then we have something a little bit more crazy. Like this one, the Moonraker laser from GoldenEye Souls, ported over to Payday 2. Now you can rock James Bond's Moonraker laser and shoot some coppers with it. It's pretty cool, you can check it out down below. Even though Yakuza 7 isn't even out in the West, you can already play with the main character in Payday 2 with this legendary armor skin. I won't even try to pronounce the name because I'm terrible with Japanese names, but well, you can have this look on your face. Play Jiro for the most authentic experience. Way to go. Sometimes you just wanna take the easy way. Maybe you want the 100% achievements in the game, but you just are a little bit lazy or just don't want to learn everything. Then this Achievement Hunter mod is for you. Some might argue it's a little bit cheaty, but to be honest, the game is so old. If you want some achievements, this is better than just unlocking them straight away. As you can see in the background, it will spot out gauge courier packages as well as some achievement items if you wanna get the Arbiter, grenade launcher, pelicans in Scarface mansions and so on. This mod will show you the location of those items and will make achievement hunting a lot easier. Up to you if you want to use something like this, but if you enjoy the game and don't ruin it for others, who cares what mod you are running. It's big, it's bulky, it covers most of your screen, but who cares? It's 2 fucking rocket launchers. Dual wielding these is going to be something for those who think one rocket launcher is not enough. I don't know who that guy is, but sometimes you just need two of the same thing. And well, this mod has you covered. I don't know why, but also, why not? Game developers often have ideas that never get into the full game. And so did Overkill a few years ago when they were experimenting with some ammo types for assault rifles and so on. This mod brings way more ammo types to the game than what the game offers by vanilla. And we are talking taser rounds and tons of different things, as you can see in the page. I'm not even gonna try to read all of these because there's so many ammo types. You're just better off looking by yourself. Whenever there's a sequel game, people miss out some things from the original. Same goes to masks in Payday the Heist that are not available in Payday 2. Thankfully, the beef masks as well as the vice masks are available with these two mods, as you can see in the background. And with these mods you can rock these classics once again. Now, I don't think Prison Nightmare is anyone's favorite heist in Payday 2, but it's a heist. And this custom heist is called Hell's Nightmare, and it's taking inspiration from Prison Nightmare and Hell's Island. It's basically the giant cloaker being annoying you, trying to steal cloaker gold in a little small circle arena which has ammo and health around. Well, it's nothing special, always welcoming for new custom heists even if they are simple like this one. Now, for some reason, update 199 for Payday 2 did something that's a little bit weird. Something the original level designers of GoBank etc did not intend. They replaced the normal cameras with Titan cameras. Maybe they were thinking that it's a high difficulty, there should be Titan cameras. No, it was balanced around those normal cameras. Well, anyway, this mod replaces the Titan cameras like they were before with the original normal cameras, so you can play like normal again. Seriously, Overkill, don't let interns change things that were intended to be different way. Now, I don't really use the in-game chat in Payday 2 or any other game. I use either Discord or TeamSpeak depending on the game and who I'm playing with. But if you are, it's sometimes hard to know who is talking because there is no indication for that. Well, this mod just adds a speech bubble next to the person who is talking, so you can actually know who is talking if you're not familiar with the voice. If you have been playing the game for a while, your weapon collection is most likely quite large, and sometimes it's really hard to find the weapon you're looking for. Well, this mod helps you. Just type here what you're looking for, maybe LMG with a suppressor, a shotgun with dragon rounds. As you can see here, it will highlight whatever you are looking for, making things a lot easier for you. Anyways, that's all the mods this episode has to offer. And if you're new to these Payday 2 modding videos, these mods are absolutely free. No, they will not get you banned, and the download links are down below. And also, if you're new, there's a tutorial on how to install these down below. Some things might be a little bit outdated in the guide, but it should be quite easy to figure out what needs to be done. Tell me in the comments if the tutorials are so outdated you can't get things working. And tell me down in the comments also what mods would you like to see in future episode of this series. And yes, as I said in the beginning, it's been a while since the last episode of Mod Showcase, but life gets in the way, and sometimes I just don't want to spend all my free time creating YouTube videos, because this is just a hobby for me, and free time is something I don't have that much these days, with a full-time job and so on. Anyways, as always, I hope you guys are all having a good day. I'll see you in the next episode, whenever that is. Hopefully not 10 months from now. But let's see. Hope you guys are all having a good day. I'll see you next time. Master Indigo signing out.